I'm sharing my screen. So yesterday I started with hello world programming. Let me try to discuss about what is Apex programming. So what are the things are been available? Let me try to discuss. Okay, so Apex is nothing but anyone. Sorry, like yesterday, it's not uploaded because today our team is in holiday. I uploaded lately, but after completion of this class, I'll ask them to upload. Okay, so now only they had been uploaded the recording. Yeah. Okay, is my screen is visible to everyone? Okay, Apex is a cloud-based object-oriented programming language. Yes. Okay, there are different types of concepts that have been available inside the Apex. Like yesterday, I discussed about all the type of concepts which have been available in the Apex. So coming to the today, let's start with all basics of Salesforce. Okay, let me try to start with all basics of Salesforce. Okay, coming to all basics of Salesforce, let me try to discuss about like data types. Okay, there are two types under data types. One is a primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Okay, primitive and non-primitive data types. Okay, non-primitive data types are nothing but S-object data types. Yeah, and primitive data types in terms, there are different types of primitive data types. Okay, let me try to discuss. Like integer, okay, string, and we have date, and we have date time. Okay, these are the different types of double, decimal.
Character.
Yeah, character belongs to string only. Okay, character, number belongs to integer. Yeah,
Float, sir.
okay, date time. Huh?
Float.
Yeah, float. Yeah, we have different types of things, but mostly we'll use integer as well as string. Okay, mostly we'll use integer as well as string. String is used to denote the text, integer is used to denote the number. Okay, integer is used to denote the number. Mostly we'll use integer as well as string. Okay, string denotes a text. Okay, text, each and everything. Mostly we'll use string and integer. Okay, both the things we'll use it every times. Let us design some program and let's implement some mechanism. Then you'll get some clarity. What is the data types? Let's implement some program. Okay, on the data types. So what are the things which I'm teaching each and everything as like admin, I'll share the development notes also. If my voice is clear to everyone or any noise is there? Is my
Yes,
voice
sir.
is clear?
Clear, sir.
It
Clear.
is clear? Okay, fine
Yes, sir.
then. Okay. Yeah. As like admin, I'm going to teach the same way on development also. Whatever it may be, it is helpful and useful for your further reference. Yeah, I think everyone know how to open the developer console. Yeah, the people who are completely new today to the today's class. Okay.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
sir, shortcut key for control plus E means the pop-up window will open, no, sir, for writing the code. Yesterday you didn't
Con
said, sir.
Control
Control
E.
plus E. Yes, sir. Control plus E. Yes, sir.
Yeah, control E. Yeah, how it is open?
Sir,
I
go
think we
to
need
here,
to
sir.
where I need to go.
Here, sir. Right side, developer console.
Okay.
Sir, click once, click, sir. Developer
Uh,
console. Okay.
okay. Even I am also opening the same way now.
So I think yesterday you didn't said, sir. I mean, control. You didn't said shortcut key.
Where we need to use shortcut key? Can you please tell me?
Sir, you clear sir, present a file. You click on file, sir. First of all, you
Okay. Click
find
on
the
file. Okay.
plus shortcut key control plus E.
Yeah. Control plus E. I need to type here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Control plus E. Yeah.
Yes,
Now
sir. Like
execute
this.
anonymous. I told
Like
I
this.
told a different process because shortcuts no one will remember. Okay, that's why I did not because it's not like aptitude or mathematics. Shortcut no one can remember. That's why I will not say shortcut. Okay, I'll say only the straightforward the things. Logic is important. Yeah, shortcut means today you listen. After that you'll forget. Everyone will agree with my point. Shortcuts.
Yes, sir. Maximum unable to remember. Yes, I agree
Yeah,
with you.
definitely shortcuts. Our mind will not support. Only some things we can able to remember. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I told the same process. Yeah, I opened to the developer console. Yeah, I told it yesterday. These are all the
Yes, sir.
things. Once please watch the recording. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, thank you. I think you seen through execute anonymous when you are saying about. Okay. Click on
Yes,
file.
sir.
Click on new Apex
Yes,
class.
sir.
Okay. Let me try to create some Apex class. Okay. Okay. First program. Today is April 9th. Na? Let me try to give April 9th. Class name is your wish. You can give. Inside this, let me try to create method. Public static void method one.
Void.
Okay, inside this, let me try to create some integer. I'm defining as 23. Okay, string. I'm defining as. So what is the syntax of this? I'll tell you. Data type. Okay, variable name. Variable name is it's your wish completely. You can give any of the thing. Variable name and you need to give the value. Okay, like I'm giving Vishal. Okay, ID. Everyone, please unmute your mics once. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, just I'm getting some ID. Okay, like where we are getting this particular ID, just I'm navigating to the account object. I'm navigating to the account object. Okay, just I'm taking the ID. Okay, just I'm taking one of the ID, any of the ID. Just normal I'm taking ID to denote the ID. Just I'm using ID and shipment date. Shipment date is nothing but today's date. Okay, just I'm mentioning date dot today. And if you want to indicate the long values, okay, then you need to use a long data type. Don't by head practice once, it's fine, you'll get it when you live involving with different types of use cases, then you'll get some complete idea. Okay, with long integer, then we can use long. Okay, like if it's a double. Okay, like if you are denoting the pi values like 3.14, okay, 5.23, like this. Okay, if you're denoting like this, then we can use double. And let's say date time. Date time denotes the date and time. Okay, just it will give the present time. Okay, date time it gives the present time. Okay, it will give the present time. If you want to system to print the data, let me try to system.debug. System.debug of a, just I'm using system.debug to print the data. Just I'm using all the data. Yeah, like this I'm involving all the things.
So,
Just I'm printing the data, that's it. By using system.debug, I'm printing the data. Okay, I declared some variables, integer, string, ID, whatever it may be. By using system.debug, I'm printing the data. That's it. Everyone is understanding what I'm doing?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me try to go to execute anonymous window. I'm copying this first program April 19 dot. Vishal, can you please unmute your mic, please? I'm requesting. Yeah, because some sounds are getting. That is the reason. Yeah. Yeah. If you have any doubts, you can unmute then. Okay, just I'm executing by using execute anonymous window. Click on execute button. Click on debug. Everyone able to see the output? If you have any queries, then you can unmute your mic and you can speak it. Everyone understood this thing? Everyone understood? Just I got an output as a 23. Okay, date time means I'm get the present time, whatever it may be, each and every details I use it to get up to date. Yeah.
No. Sir, can you go to the code?
Yeah, I'm going to the code. Yes, yes.
So we cannot display all these in one statement, system.debug.
Yes, we can do it. We can do it. Just for your practice, I done. Yes, we can do it. Yeah, I'll explain you that particular thing also. For your practice, I done. Yeah.
Okay.
Just we
And
need to give
one
the
more
gap.
thing, can you tell about eighth line, sir?
Huh?
Eighth line.
10th line. 8th line.
Eight,
8th line
eight,
is
sir.
nothing. 8th line. Okay, just it is nothing but ID. Okay, the data type of ID. To indicate an ID, we can use ID data type. Okay, this is an ID data type. That's it.
ID is a data type, sir.
Yeah, ID is also one of the data type. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, like do you remember when you are creating the fields, there are some data types are there? Anyone remembered?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, it is similar to that particular thing. Integer denotes number, string denotes the text. Okay, that's
Okay.
it. Decimal denotes this particular annual revenue, all these
So
particular
what is
details.
11th
Yeah.
line, sir?
11th line is nothing but double. Okay, like whenever if you are having an indication after integer, if you want to indicate, okay, 3.14, like 5.26, 7.89 after integer, like if you want to indicate this particular values means you can use a double. Okay, it will be indicated as a double. Yeah.
So 12th
Where do
one
we
will
need to
give the
indicate the
current
values,
time.
sir?
Hmm? I did not got your point, you are
Where
saying
do we
something.
need to indicate that 3.15, 3.14?
Like so do you remember like pi value 3.14? Do you remember pi value? Okay, like
Yeah, yeah,
this.
pi value.
Like
Yeah, I know, I know.
yeah, yeah. On that particular situation only we can mention. But when you are indicating salaries, annual revenue, each and everything, we can indicate decimal only. We'll not indicate double in no more. Just only for your reference I given. We'll indicate only decimal. Yeah. In future also when we are using also we'll use a decimal only. We'll not use any double. Only for your reference I given. That's it. Okay. Everyone I'm saying.
Okay, okay.
We will use integer, string, and decimal mostly. Yes.
Okay. So date and time will give current date and as well as time.
Yes, you can give. Yeah, you can give exact time whatever you need, or if you give the today's date also. Okay, I'm giving the today's date. Just it is giving the today's date. Even you can give the date whatever it may be. It's your requirement also. Yeah,
Okay.
any date
So
also you can
can
give.
you show how to write all these in one line, system.debug?
Yeah, just we need to plus.
Okay.
Okay, plus like this. That's it. Okay, shipment date like this. Just you can. You'll
So
get it
this,
in further. Okay.
okay,
In
sir.
further, okay, it may take some time because it's your first classes now. Like you'll get it, then you can try to involve it easily. Yeah, see, Vishal ID, everything has been came in one line.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you'll
I
get
think
some
that
time, we need some time.
single quotes
Yeah,
indicate space, right?
yes, exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay, sir.
Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries on this?
No, sir.
Okay, and okay, another point I want to highlight. Okay, like as object data types. What are the different types of as objects we teach previously? Non-primitive is nothing but as object data types like account, contact, hiring
Opportunity.
manager, opportunity. These are all nothing but it belongs to a subject, lead, case, etc. Okay. These are
Yes.
all the things which are belongs to a subject data types. Okay. These are all the things. Previously, just I clicked on new and I created some new account. Now the thing is like I'm creating new account from the developer console. Okay, let us see how to create a data from the developer console. Am I audible to everyone? By using the subject data types, how to create the data from the developer console. Let me try to design this. I'll give assignments also. It is very important. Okay, I'll give the assignment also. Yeah, I'll give the assignment also. Yeah. Okay, like let us design some code. Then you can able to understand. Okay, just you can click on Apex class. Okay, second program. April 19. Okay, let me try to declare some method. Okay, like let me try to use a subject data type to declare the data, and to here there are two ways. Okay, two ways to apply the data and to insert the data appropriately. And I'm saying again, to cover this particular topic, it is been dependent on other topics, but I hope you can try to understand. Okay, I hope you can try to understand. There are two styles to insert the data. Okay, let us see the first style. Okay, let us see the first style. Mostly we'll follow this first style only instead of style 2. Yeah. Okay, for example, if it's I am inserting the data on the account object, you need to take the account. Okay, you need to take the API name as an account. Yeah. Let me try to go to the setup. Okay, I'm navigating to the object manager. Yeah. Everyone able to see the API name?
Yes, sir.
Everyone able to? Okay, I'm copying. It is nothing but object name. Okay, like just don't confuse. Just only for your reference, I'm giving instance name. Okay, just only for your instance, I given all these particular things. Yeah. Just on practice, then you'll get some understanding. Okay, I'm inserting the data. Okay, just acc dot. Okay, I'm inserting. See, whenever if I keep dot means immediately whatever the variables that have been presented inside the Salesforce, all the things are came. Okay, like Lakshmi, like active is equal to yes. But mostly we'll follow the style one only instead of style two. Okay, in real time, because we'll get all the information. We cannot able to remember each and every information by using this email. Okay, it is a custom field. Okay, Lakshmi at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, then just we are inserting this particular data to Salesforce org. Insert ACC. Okay, it will be covered in SOQL and SYSL statement only for your reference. To explain this particular topic, I'm explaining. Okay, we can use insert statement. Okay, to print this data. Okay, inside the developer console, I'm using system.debug. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. Yeah. Yeah, okay, team. Okay. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I'm inserting. This is the first style. Mostly we'll use a style one only. Okay. So when we are inserting the data, mostly we will use a style one only instead of style two. I'm saying again. Okay, it's a style two. Just let us see the style two. Account ACC one. Okay, so variable name, instance name, it's your wish. You can use ACC, you can use BCC. Okay, anything, just only for your reference. But we'll not use style two mostly. We'll go with the style one only. Okay, here you need to give. Here you need to give the field names. Okay, it is nothing but field names which have been available inside the Salesforce. Here you need to give, but remembering all the field names is difficult or not? Remembering
Yes,
all the
sir.
fields name is
Yes,
difficult or
sir.
Yes,
not?
sir.
I feel it is difficult. That's why I'll prefer the first style only instead of second style. Yeah. Okay, just I'm inserting this ACC one. System.debug of ACC one. Just I'm inserting the red. Let me try to go to debug, open, execute anonymous window. What is my program name?
Second
is my program?
program.
April 19. Okay. Dot.
Yeah,
Let me try to
second
use
program,
method 1.
April 19.
Let me try to click on execute button. Immediately the data, it is showing the DML exception. Why we'll get storage limit exception? Yesterday also we got. Why we'll get this error? Anyone know?
So we need to save it.
No, not that particular reason. We are in the free edition. Okay, I'm saying again, we are in the free edition. Okay, whenever, okay, I'm saying again, we are in the free edition. Even we know there is some limited storage has been available. Okay, if you cross it that limited storage, then we'll get this. Yeah. Okay, you need to delete the records. Then you can try to. Okay, you need to delete the records. Then only we can try to do further operations, whatever it may be. Or we need to change the org. That's it. For you will not get this error.
Sir,
Yeah, yes, please.
sir, you wrote public after this. You wrote that sub-program section, no, sir. After the end of the program,
Which
this
one I
part,
did not got
this,
it.
sir, from 23 line to 27.
But that 1 minute, only 23 line to 27 line, it is not for your reference. In future, I'll teach you. Just to delete the data, I'm using this. Okay. To delete the data, I'm using it. Okay. In future, I'll tell you. This particular things it's not considerable for you. In future, when I'm dealing SQL and SVSL, I'll tell you. Yeah. Just only to delete the data, I'm using. That's it.
Okay, sir.
We
To
don't get
delete the
this
data,
error,
I'm using.
sir.
Huh? No, you
We
will
don't
not
get.
get this error because you have some minimal records. You have some minimal records.
Okay.
For me, I have so many records. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And in unlimited edition, you'll not get. In real time, the client will give you edition all these particular things.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we will change the ID means we'll won't error.
Why it will throw error, Vishal? Just only I'm modifying the account ID means that particular account details it will be reflected. Why it will show error?
Uh, Sir, not sir. I'm saying that we used before the first program same name, no sir, ID. So you are implemented here means we get the error. So I'm saying that we'll change the ID means we'll won't get the error. I'm saying this. So
No, we'll not get any error, Vishal. Yeah. I'm using another org here. Okay, we'll not get any error, Vishal. Just only I'm opening that particular account ID. That's it.
okay, sir.
Okay, let me try to open another org and let me try to implement the information in another org. Yeah. Okay, that particular org, that storage limit exceeded that particular information. I'm getting no. Let us use this particular org. I'll delete all the data, then I'll try it. Okay. There's so much data has been involved. That is the reason. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I wanted to know how to open also, like we are saving, right? So
Okay. Whatever the data I saved, I need to open. That's it. You're saying?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. Okay. Okay. Second program, Apex.
So if
Just
we
I'm
don't
creating a new
remember
place.
that name, sir.
You need to remember. Okay. You need to file. Click on open. You need to search. If you did not remember, means you need to go one by one.
Oh my God.
Okay, that's why you need to write in some notepad file, whatever it may be you written when when you learn. Just you need to
Okay.
write in some notepad file in real time. Okay, that is my user story, whatever it may be. If you close it today, also you can able to find it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just I'm using acc dot, okay,
Sir,
Prapurna.
sir, present
Okay,
you are writing declaration part and executable part, no, sir?
I'm writing logic, Vishal. Yeah,
Oh, God.
I'm writing logic, Vishal, now presently. Okay, previously I written. That's why I'm copying it. Now previous I written inside another developer console. Let me try to just I'm writing logic, Vishal. Yeah, yeah,
I mean declaring, no, sir. The,
yeah. Yes, I'm declaring the subject data types. After that, I'm inserting the data. Yeah.
yes, sir. I am asking.
Okay, just here. Okay, I inserted. I written the code previously. That's why I'm been. Let me try to execute this particular data. Let us see whether the data is inserted or not. Let me try to debug. Open execute anonymous window. What is my class name?
Second programming Apex 9.
Okay, method one. Okay, if you click on execute button, immediately you can able to open the developer logs. You click on open logs. Okay, click on execute. Yeah. Okay. Click on debug only option. Yes, everyone able to see. All the data has been inserted. You can able to see. Name equal to apex programming. Okay, this particular data is inserted successfully, and also another thing is this particular data also been inserted successfully. They had been given account ID. Okay, if we given account ID here, okay, here also we'll get ID inside the debug logs. Let's see whether this data is inserted or not. See, this is the ID. We got two IDs because two accounts have been inserted successfully. Let me try to navigate to account. Anyone able to see I inserted Apex programming and Proporna records? See, everyone able to see these records,
Yes, sir.
and also you can able to see the Proporna records also.
So we have
Okay.
inserted these records through code, right?
Yeah, we inserted this particular codes through developer console, but in real time we'll get all
Okay.
this particular data from the LWC front end UI. Okay, through customers or through agents.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So previously I discussed about hiring manager. Anyone remember position hiring manager?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us insert the hiring manager records. Okay, let's go to the setup. Okay, inside the hiring manager, we have different details are there. HR dot. You can use a dot. Immediately we'll get all the details. Hiring manager name. Okay, we have a designation. Okay, we need to give that particular values, whatever it is been available inside the pick list. Don't give each and every value. Just only give the values which have been available inside the pick list. HR executive, Salesforce developer, whatever it is been available in the pick list, you need to give the same thing. Okay, HR dot location. Okay, just I'm giving as a Hyderabad. Any other numbers or any other things are required? Contact number. Okay, it is also a required field. Now I am inserting this particular records. I am inserting this particular records. Insert HR records. Okay, if you want to get system.debug of HR. If you want to get the ID, you'll get the ID, HR.id. Okay, again all these records are also once again it will be executed. Okay, because I'm executing it once again. Open execute anonymous window. Now hiring manager records are also been executed. It is showing that cannot insert update active entity. Sync HR records trigger. Nothing this I'll tell you.
So here we have written account object details and hiring manager object details. That means two
Yeah.
object details.
Yeah, two
So
object
is it
details, then two object
possible?
records will be inserted. Yes, it is possible. Yeah. Two object records have been inserted. I need to open new org, okay, which has been completely not involved with any of the thing. Then it should be best option, I hope so. Then no errors will get. Yeah, previous codes have been making the issues. Yeah. I'm clicking on execute. Click on debug only. Everyone able to see? Just I inserted account object record and also hiring manager object record also. Inside the class I'm creating, I'm differentiating by using objects Priyanka. Okay. Inside the class I'm differentiating by using objects.
Okay, account object and hiring manager. One class,
Yes.
different
Everyone able to
objects.
see? Yes, yes. Everyone able to see? Vishal, Salesforce developer. One class can include
Yes,
multiple
sir.
objects. Okay. This will be covered in OOPS concept, but I'm discussing now only because to cover as object data types.
So now you have executed again, right? Account one. Does it create a new ID again?
New, yes, of course, it will create a new ID, definitely. See,
Ah, okay. Two times.
this is,
Okay.
yeah, two times. Okay.
Sir,
So kindly please, yeah, yes, please.
sir, once to show the code, sir, once just
Yeah.
sir, use hiring manager name designation. We'll write the code. Shall we write the code in single line? Is it possible, sir?
Can you please repeat your question, Vishal? What's your question exactly? You're writing, you're asking single line. Yes, it is possible. You're asking like this, it is possible. Yeah, it is possible, Vishal. But as per the best practice, you need to use like this only. Because to remember all the fields names, it is very difficult. Yes, it is possible to use to apply in style one also. Yeah. But we are not in real time also use like this only. Because remember all the field names is very difficult for us. If you use like this means all the field names will get whatever I shown now. Yeah. Write an Apex program to insert contact records. Okay. To insert opportunity records. Everyone will do these four assignments. Priyanka, everyone.
So the same like we have to insert into like hiring manager, we
That's it.
have to insert into all
That's
the
it.
four.
Candidate, that's it. Nothing, no changes. Exactly.
So can we do one, sir? Any one in this four?
Yeah, yes, of course. Yes, I implemented no accountant hiring manager. I implemented two. I given four.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. This is an assignment. You need to practice. I implemented two. Same way now. I implemented with custom object. I implemented with standard object. I'm asking you to show three standard objects and one custom object. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Only it's practice only will get. Yeah. I'll not give answers, but I'll give it definitely after completion of the each and every module. I'll give it. Now I will not give. Yeah.
Sir, this one we cannot perform on cases.
Yes, you can perform. You can perform. Just only I given this assignment. Yes, you can perform. After completion of this assignment, you can explore. Okay,
Okay,
if you
sir.
have some time. Yes.
Sir, I
Just I'm
forgot
going.
to ask one question, sir.
Yeah.
So when we are implementing something, we are going through validation rules, right? So whether we have
Yeah,
validation rules or
yeah,
not.
yes, yes. If you have validation
Yeah,
rules, you need to follow based on the validation rules. But in real time,
yeah,
we'll not get the data. I'm saying again, in real time, we will not insert the data. Okay, we'll get the data through parameters and we'll insert that appropriate data. Okay, then we cannot check any validation. Okay, when the customer is entering the data, then they will do it based on the validation. In real time, we will not write the code. We will not write the values. Okay, we'll get the values from the customer. Okay, from the agent.
the same way do we need to keep an eye on flows also, sir? Same
Huh?
like validate, like when we are developing something, we are developing according to the validation rules, like we are
No,
checking
not
some
required,
value.
Priyanka. Not required, not required, not required, Priyanka.
Like
Okay, because
previously, I
we
got
are
an
not
error.
entering any values here. Okay, we are in real time, we are entering the just only the data will be received from the customer. Okay, if the
Yeah,
data is receiving from the customer, then they need to be in proper when they're entering the data.
yeah. Previously, I got an error, no, sir. So I got that out
Okay, fine. Yeah, like for
regarding the omni
example, if it's
channel.
a DM, yeah, sometimes in some situation we need to follow the validation rules. Yeah, even when you're executing the code, you can able to find it, then you can modify it as per the requirement. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let us see. Okay, there are some operators have been available. There are different types of operators. Like to perform some operations. Like we have a calculator to perform addition. Okay, like subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. All these particular things we have arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. And relational operators. Relational operators is nothing but to compare two values. Okay, for example, if you ascend. Okay, to compare two values, a less than 10 or b less than or equal to a less than or equal to b. Okay, to compare the conditions. Okay, whether this particular less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, these are the different types of conditions are available in relational operators. When I applied the condition, then you will get the idea. Okay, and logical operators. Logical operators means if you have multiple conditions. Okay, like if all the conditions need to be satisfied, then you need to use and. Okay, at least one condition can be satisfied, then it should be fine. Then you can use or. Okay, for example, if you have five conditions, if at least one condition satisfied, then it should be true. Okay, then we can execute, then we can use or. Yeah, like this we have different things. Yeah, these three things. And we have increment or decrement operators. Increment is nothing but, for example, if you declare integer 21, okay, a minus minus means it is decrementing 20. This is the thing. Everyone is understanding what I'm defining.
Yes, sir. Increment
Yes, sir.
means you decrease the value. Increment means will increase the value.
That's it. That's it. Yeah. Assignment operator is nothing but just we are adding it. For example, previously I declared balance amount equal to 4,000. Okay, like if you want to add another new 4,000 to this, okay, then we can use plus. Plus is equal to. Okay, then balance is equal to balance amount plus 25,000 plus 4,000, 29,000 will be get as an output. Like let's see then you can understand. Okay, then you can understand exactly if I given also. So let's see with the different use cases, then only you'll get some better hands-on idea. Okay, on all mathematical operation, let's say different use cases. Write an program to define two variables and print the values. Okay, let us see. Okay, they are saying that this is the user story. What is my user story?
So write an Apex program to define two variables.
How I can define the two variables?
So integer a comma b, print the values on the log files. Take two variables,
Yeah.
uh, give the like integer values, system.debug,
Just I'm printing the data. I'm not doing any operation. Just I'm printing the data. I'm declaring the variables and I'm printing the data. Debug. Open execute anonymous window. Is everyone able to see it? I got an output because I used a system.debug to print the data. That's why I got an output. Everyone able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us enhance some more. Okay, they're saying that I need to define the two integer values and like we need to perform all the mathematical operations. All the mathematical operation in terms addition, subtraction, multiplications, all these particular things I need to perform. Okay, let us see. And here I changed some modifications. Every time we can use. I told you we'll receive the data from execute and like we'll receive the data from LWC component from front end UI. Okay, integer A. Just I'm defining like this only.
Integer B.
Yes. Okay, I'm performing addition.
System.debug
Okay,
addition
addition is.
plus result.
Okay, if you want to perform multiplication. And after that I want to perform multiplication.
So
Okay, after that I want to
can we write those integer a and b outside the method?
yeah, if you declared outside the method means unit is a constructor. Okay. Like then
Okay.
constructor will give the in future class I'll cover that. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, division. Okay, for example, if it's a modulus. Okay, normally in other things you can give like this, but here you don't need to. If you given like this means it will raise some error. You can able to observe. At 19th line it will show some error. Yeah. You need to give as math.mod of. Okay, this is the function to calculate the modulus. Okay, you need to give modulus like this. Okay, let us execute this code. Then you will get to know what is the output. Debug, open, execute anonymous window. Just I'm passing the data. In real time, we'll get the data from the LWC component. Like when I discussed some LWC component, then I'll connect Apex programming with this. We'll get the data integer, both integers. Okay, then we'll perform the operations and the output will be displayed. Okay, for verification purpose, it is working fine or not. I'm passing from execute anonymous window. Okay, just I'm passing 20 comma 10. Click on execute. Is everyone able to say I got some data? Addition is 30, subtraction is 10, division is 2, modulus is 0.
Yes, sir.
This is the thing. Anyone have any queries on this third program, FX9?
No, sir.
What about other people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, let's anyone know the interest, simple interest, compound interest? Anyone know?
I think
Profit and loss.
we
Profit
need to
and
know the
loss.
formula for that.
Yes, yes, there is some formula for simple interest. Yeah. Okay, I'm not been directly going to triggers. I'm been building your fundamentals. Okay, I'm saying again. Okay, some people will think that it is like very basics. Yes, it is
No,
basics.
no, sir.
Okay, first of all, I'm discussing the basics. Then I'm going to the other things. Yeah, simple interest is a PTR by 100. Yeah, yeah. You can declare just instead of creating another Apex class, I'm declaring a method here only. One class you can have multiple methods.
So we can
Okay, I'm
take
receiving.
three different values now.
Yes, decimal, time, okay, rate, PTR by 100, decimal, okay, simple interest. I'm calculating the simple interest now. Okay, PTR by 100. Okay, maturity amount is nothing but simple interest. Whatever the interest I got, we need to add it to the principal. Okay, we need to add. For example, if you deposited 1 lakh, okay, you got 10,000 as a simple interest. 1 lakh plus 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000. Okay, it is nothing but maturity amount. Everyone is understanding what I'm doing?
Yes,
Simplest
sir.
trust I got 10,000. Okay, principal I invested 1 lakh. Yeah. Time is 1 year. Okay, 12 months. Like we got this much of interest. Okay, system dot debug of just I'm printing. I'm copying this name and I'm placing here. Okay, let me try to click on debug. Open execute anonymous window. What's my method name? Method 2. Okay, let us pass some values. Okay, I'm passing 20,000. Okay, 10 percentage. Click on execute. Is everyone able to? Simple interest is 4,000. Maturity amount is 20,000 plus 4,000, 24,000. Everyone able to see? I got the data.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are the information we got? Immediately we need to print it to the LWC component. Then LWC component will deploy this information onto the front end page. Immediately then customer can able to observe how much the maturity amount, how much simple interest. Just normally for your reference purpose I'm showing. I'll show you in future. Like here we are developing the backend codes. Anyone have any queries on this?
So in a single program, we can write all the logics. But the
Of
main
course.
thing is we'll just call that particular method.
Yes, instead of calling every method, we need to call that particular method, then only that particular logic will be implemented.
Yeah, yeah.
That means we can execute only whatever the part we need, right, sir?
Yes, exactly, exactly.
We need
But for
not
your
open a
reference
new one
purpose,
every time.
no, not required. Yeah, just for your practice and your practice, no need to open new one every time. But try to do it, then it will be practice.
Yes, sir.
But for me,
Surely
I'm an
we will do.
experienced person. Then I can, but for you, you'll get some errors.
Yes, sir.
If you're able to track means fine. Otherwise, create a new Apex class every time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In future, you will not get any errors because they are in the starting stages.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What is the area of triangle formula? Anyone know?
Pi
Area
r square h. I
Hmm?
don't know, sir.
No worries. If you don't know means what is the thing you will do?
Google.
length into breadth into height.
Yes. Okay, like 1 by 2 into b into h. Okay, it is nothing but decimal b and also decimal h and decimal a. 0.5 into b into h. You need to calculate this. Everyone will do this area of triangle
Yes, sir.
and again area of rectangle, area of trapezium. A plus b by 2. You need to declare, okay, it's a decimal a, decimal a. Okay, you need to declare three values and you need to perform the operation whatever it may be. Yeah. Just only for your
So,
reference purpose, I'm giving all this.
so that calculation is stored in simple interest, and we are calling that simple interest. That's it, right?
Here it is simple interest. Now I'm going with
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
formula area of
Yes,
yes,
yes.
yes. Yeah. Everyone will do
Uh,
this area of trapezium.
so, can you tell once again how to do the trapezium?
You need to declare how many variables you need to declare
Three, sir.
this one,
Three.
three variables. Okay, and it's a result. Decimal result is equal to. Okay, either you can pass from execute anonymous window or you can pass the data manually, and you need to perform this operation, whatever it may be performed. As like simple interest. Okay. If I given everything means it is difficult for you. That's why I'm not giving. You'll think the logic.
A plus b divided by 2 whole divided by h. That's it, sir.
Yeah. Okay, you need to perform.
Okay.
Then only you'll get it. Yeah. Anyone have any queries on this? Still now, whatever I discussed. Anyone have any queries?
No, sir.
Only I'm getting response from Priyanka and Vishal. What about other people? Nandita, Sandeep, Spandana, Divya, Pratinesh. Everyone is understanding?
Yes, sir. We're getting you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. Yeah, okay, team. I think it's quite good enough. Like we learned some good topics today. Let's see conditional statements, for loop, while loop, all the other things in tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Let's meet tomorrow.
Yes,
And
sir.
another thing I want to convey, I am uploading all basics of Salesforce, but don't refer all the other things. If you refer to all the other, no, I'll not upload. I think if you uploaded means definitely it will be a confusion. What are the notes we
No, no,
completed
sir. We
today?
don't go through.
Yeah, it will be confusion.
Please
Yeah,
upload. We seriously don't go through, sir.
yeah, because it will be confusion. Yeah, no worries. Let's see. I'll upload it after completion of the class. Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay, then
sir.
thank you everyone. Let's meet tomorrow.